Umuwaziri w'esemi Professor George Magoha ujo guchikorwa bisiniga buryo umuwaziri orachigosoa asensemo yegisemi ase serikali ya William Samoei Ruto aene kibunanko bwaterare kyanda yekomi amangana rengete CBC anasensemo yegisemi Magoha ni gatebire buna omoyegana bwegono murobelyo CBC ni gora chigokonya oyo atebire buna abanyarire bakobeka chibese chinyinge asokane kibuno murobelyo CBC nkanyararo goikiranigwa anasensemo yo kwagache birase nigabulu muwaziri gochigosoa bisi chibese chikobekwa chintangani ase kigancha serikali aene kibuna bali babira wekirani ubwagachi bwebirase ngwakano bali chibase cyabo chonsi eliyo murubulyo CBC konyara kogendera buna orobereti gwa buli tangane na boni gatebire buna no emaga joko wemere muntu murebwe nsomuskoro Kenyatta magwani gaberaga wekirani egasi yaje asenchire ndonge nagote yabuna abana bagochigosoa ase skuru anensemeli ya junior secondary mbali gochikobeterere gwako gana chiskuru chiale korwa sobo kolengana buna mangana geta amase yabereke gonchukana na asensemo yemtandao.
The incoming CS ensure that once the exchequer is open, we should pay the contractors very quickly without any further delay, because these classrooms have been constructed at a reasonably good price of 708,200. Otherwise, all is well, and I think there's not much else to say. I've addressed this issue more than 20 times. And if you like, you can listen to what I'm telling you. If you like, you can close your ears. And what I said is this. I was first appointed by His Excellency the President, the outgoing President, to be chairman of Kenya National Examination Council. And therefore, I have been at the helm of the examinations in this country for the past, I think, 6 years continuously. So this notion that young children are going to go to boarding schools or far away is not true. It is already happening. That is point number one. Point number two, once the new government comes, it may be in its wisdom to tweak and do certain things. That's not now my business. Are we together? For example, if they were to say that, okay, let CBC be only in day schools, or as long as CBC is there, because my main concern has been that leave CBC alone, because in my considered opinion, it has brought the children back to their parents. There is a conversation between the parents and the children, and that is going to have a very big impact on the way the children behave in future. So I hope nobody will ask me this